Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Bahria College Hanif at Karsaz. Welcome to all students. My subject is Computer Science, Class 9, Federal Board. My name is Ms. Rahat Diba. Students, this is a syllabus for first term 2020 to 21. Chapter 1, Fundamentals of Computer. Chapter 2, Fundamentals of Operating System. Chapter 3, Office Automation. Today we are going to discussing about chapter number 3, Office Automation. And my topic is spreadsheet. We will discuss about basics of spreadsheet. First, we should know that in this topic, what is spreadsheet? Spreadsheet is an application software. It has a large sheet in Excel. It's called spreadsheet. It means data and information arranged in rows and columns. For easy to manage the data, these softwares we call spreadsheet. We have different softwares we call spreadsheets. These softwares, but the most popular softwares is MS Excel in the world. These softwares are OpenOffice, Numbers, and Gnumeric, and Lotus. And students, Microsoft Excel is a very important all over the world. And Microsoft Excel is very important in grid. And what is a grid? We have a table consists of rows and columns. First, we have to install MS Excel, and then we will open it. Grid meanings rows and columns. First, we will have to install the MS Excel, and then we will open it. Excel 2016 version. Click here, and then we can open Excel. Spreadsheet will be open, and the highlighted area is showing that the single grid. This is all highlighted area is called the single grid. And these are rows and these are columns. Numbers are rows and these are columns. We can make the grid by rows and columns. We can use functions and commands to manipulate the data. What is the meaning of manipulate? It means to use according ourselves. This is a general phase of MS Excel. We will see in the diagram. This is a general phase of MS Excel. We have different bars in that. See, in this picture, we have seen that this is the title bar, toolbar, menu bar, formula bar, standard toolbar, formatting toolbar. These are the active cells in the MS Excel. And we can use it to do work in the Excel. These all our functions we are using in MS Excel. This is the latest version of MS Excel. Actually, we can open it. These are the functions we can use whenever we can use this function. First, we will have to know that all functions, what are they in MS Excel. When we can click on the insert, see that these all functions can be open it, and we can do all functions, we can use it. This is the MS Excel, and this is a formula bar. Whenever we can write in the cell, formula will enter in this bar. This is the single cell, and the function bar, formula bar, when we add formula in the cell, automatically it fills in the formula bar. This is the worksheet window, and these are all the functions: status bar, worksheet tabs, horizontal scroll bar, column headings, and all that. Okay, these are sheet number 1 and sheet number 2. If we want to add sheet number 2, we will press sheet 2. Why we are pressing? Because if we want to do work in the separate sheet, so we will click here. We should know that the functions of these sheets. Okay, students, this is the, see the picture of, these are the functions. We have some specific function in this picture. These functions we can use in the MS Excel. Toolbar, name box, formula bar, worksheet window, cells, column headings, row headings, office assistants, navigations buttons, and sheet tabs. First, we will know that what is the function of a name box. Name box is a cell, references of the active cell. And what is the meaning of formula bar? This is automatically formula added by a cell. And worksheet window or worksheet area of window. And the row headings, we write headings in rows. Office assistants, this is actually arrow key of the mouse. Column headings are, we write headings in columns. Sheet 1 and sheet 2. This is the functions whenever we can open the page number 1 and page number 2 and page number 3. We will press here to go to the page number 2 and page number 3. Navigation button. Navigation button, actually this is a, whenever we can create the new button to go to a certain sheet in Excel, is called navigation button. This picture is showing filling columns. You know that I have told you before, these are rows and these are columns. And whenever we can write any word, any digit, it can place by the sequentially in the cell. Okay, students, this picture is showing that these are rows and these are columns, and this is a single cell. Relative cell addressing, we have a specific condition. To add the formula, we are making a sheet. This is a selling price are in the cells. These are selling price in the cell. We have sale of every month. We have They sell 4 laptops. These are versions of laptops. And now what we do? We are going to adding the formula. We are going to adding the formula for sale of 1 month with total 3 month sale. We can add the formula. And how can we add it? First, we will have to write the equal sign in total numbers. First, we can have write the equal sign, and then formula bar will be open. And then whenever it can activate, then we will write the formula. What is the formula? See, we can see from the rows and the columns. C in the columns and 5 in the rows. The formula is C5. We can write it here, plus D5 and plus E5. Whenever we can add the formula and we can equal or enter the button, and it will automatically it will sums our numbers. Get my point? This is the second example of, these are the versions of 4 Windows, MS7, Windows 7, MS Office, antivirus software, accounting softwares. We have some specific softwares. A company has sold 4 software prices are there. Every software has sales tax. We want to count just a tax. How can we count it, and what is the formula we can use it? Price multiplied by sale tax multiplied by percentage. Enter equal sign. First we will have to enter the equal sign, and then we can add the formula. D12. By the rows and the columns, we are putting the values of from D here, and then 12 from rows. And then we can put it sign here, the multiplication. It's a static sign. We can use this sign for multiplication in this system. D5, D5. This is the formula. We can multiply in twos, and then we will have to equal or enter the sign. The price tax will be show. And next line we should drag. If we can drag, hold the button from that side. If we can drag down to the lines, and then we can see that it can come in the next line. Automatically the formula will be multiply the another values. These are the formulas we have added to add something and to multiply something. Now we are going to paste cell content. We have a specific data. So first we will have to copy. First we will have to copy the data, and then value of cell is 50, 34 or 5 or 52 or 41, whatever. You can highlight the cell, the value of the cell, you can highlight it and select the cell of 52 and do right click and open it. This page will be open it, and then you can click the option of copy, and whenever you can click it, it will copy it. And then if you want to paste here, and then it will paste it here. whenever you can click here. This is the function of how can you copy your document. If you want to copy by the shortcut keys, Control X, we can copy it, and if you can use Control V, you can paste it. It's easy to copy and the paste. Shortcut keys we can use easily in Excel. Represent data graphically. When we represent data by graphically, so what we do? Students, we have a record. A company is giving informations about a brand scale of every brand. How to make a graph? First compile the data and insert the button. Here is insert the button. Whenever we can press the insert button, and then chart will be open it. And we can open the chart, and whenever we can open the chart, click insert and then open the chart. Whenever we can press OK, when we see the graph will be shown in the picture. Big graph we can make it, and the bar graph will be make it. We can click here and see this graph will be opened by these all values. This is a very latest version of computer. Conditional formatting. If we can use the conditional formatting, we used a condition format in MS Excel, and the function is that if we want to highlight the important or specific data, then we use conditional formatting with the colors. We can apply the condition. We have a table of student name. They have get marks from 100. This is the table. Students have get the marks from the 100. If some students get less than 30 marks, they are failed in exams. Now what we need to do? What we need to see the failures as a colors in a different highlighted colors. First select the all cell for obtain marks and see the options of conditional formatting. See, this is the conditional formatting. Whenever we can click at conditional formatting, we will see the highlight area of rules. The option will be open. Highlighted area rules cell will open. Whenever we can click it, it will show the color of failures from here. It will show the color of failures from here, and it will be prominent. Whenever we can OK it, then it can show the color. This is the function of conditional formatting. Students, your home task is answer the questions, draw the spreadsheet and label with the name of functions, name any area of applications of Excel, differentiate between relative cell, addressing cell in Excel. Write some details of graphical representation of spreadsheet. You can do work in your copy. And thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.